Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Time with Sagar. Raya. Today I'm back with another questions from algebra. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to divide this algebraic fractions. Okay, so without any delay, let's go through our questions. So here we have 9x power 5 y square plus 3x power 4 y power 5 all divided by 3x square y square. So 9x power 5 y square by 3x square y square plus 3x power 4 y power 4 all divided by 3x square y square. Now what we have to do is we have to cancel this 9 and 3. We can cancel this 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now here we have x power 5, here x square. Now if they are in divide form, so we have to subtract the power. So 5 minus 2. And here is also power y square, here is also power y square. So simply we can cancel both of them if the power is same. And plus here also 3 and 3 we can cancel this. And here we have x power 4, here x square. So this 4 and 2 should be subtracted. And y power 5 and y square we should subtract the power. Okay, 5 minus 2. Now 3x, 5 minus 2 is 3. Now x, 4 minus 2 is 2 and 5 minus 2 is also 2. Now let's go to our next question. So here also we have to split this. Okay, this 2x square y cube z power minus 2 will divide both of them separately. So y power 4 z cube divided by 2x square y cube z power minus 2 plus 10x cube y power minus 2 z cube 2x square y cube z power minus 2. Now let's divide this 8 and 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now this x square we can cancel. Now here 4 is remained and y power 4 and 3 we have to subtract 4 minus 3. Then z power here 3 we have to subtract, so minus, but here we have already minus sign, so this minus and minus becomes plus 2. Okay, we can suppose z power 3 minus minus 2 means 3 minus minus plus 2, it will be z power 5. Yeah, so plus 2 5s are 10. Then x cube and x square we have to subtract the power 3 minus 2 and we have power here minus 2 and here 3, so we have to subtract minus 3. Again z power 3. Now here we have minus 2, so again while subtracting there is already minus, so we have to add this. Okay, now 4y, 4 minus 3 means 1. If there comes 1, no need to write. Then z power 3 plus 2, 5. 5 x power 3 minus 2 is also 1, so no need to write. Then y power minus 2 minus 3 we can write minus 5 and z power 3 plus 2 means 5. So hope you like this video. If you really like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to press bell icon so that you won't miss my upcoming videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.